Let us see example 15. It says the sum of three numbers in AP is 15 and their product is 80. Find the numbers. Dear student, this is a new topic. Whenever it is said the numbers are 3, that is 3 numbers are in AP, we have to consider that 3 numbers as A minus B, comma A plus D. I am repeating, whenever it is written 3 numbers in AP, we have to consider the numbers as A minus D, then A, and lastly it will be A plus D. A minus D is the first number, A is the second number, and A plus D is the third number. Now it is written the sum of three numbers, sum of how many numbers? Three numbers. Which are the three numbers? Obviously it is A minus D, A and A plus D. So we are going to add all these three numbers and it is given that the sum of these three numbers is 15. So if we add these three numbers, you can check out it is A minus D plus A plus A plus D equal to 15. This was already given in the question. Now, if you check out, minus D and plus D will be cancelled as it is minus D and D. So the remaining term will be A plus A plus A. So it will be 3A. It will be 3A equal to 15. So it is A equal to 15 upon 3. And 15 upon 3 is nothing but it is 5. So we found A as 5. Now let us see the question again, and it is written and their product is 80. Product means multiplication. And if we multiply these three numbers, it is given as 80. So let us see, the product of three numbers is 80. So if we multiply A minus D, A and A plus D, we are going to get 80. It is given in the question itself. Please try to understand the next step. We can take A minus D and A plus D as one formula, and that formula is A square minus D square. And A will be as it is. So A square minus D square is nothing but it is A minus D and A plus D. And the remaining values will be as it is. Which values? A and 80. Now, we know the value of A as 5. So, if we keep the value of A as 5 at these two places, so A square, so 5 square is 25 minus D square is into 5 is equals to 80. Now, if we take 5 in the denominator, so 80 upon 5 we are going to get as 16. So 25 minus D square equal to 16. Now we are taking minus D square at this place and we are taking 16 at this place. So we are going to get answer as 25 minus 16 equal to D square. So 25 minus 16 is 9. So D square equal to 9. And please try to understand, whenever you see D square equal to 9, you have to write it as D is equals to plus or minus 3. I hope you understood the value of A as 5 and I hope you understood the value of D which is coming as plus or minus 3. Now in the question it was said find the numbers, means we are going to keep the value of A and D in these numbers. So obviously first of all we are going to take the value of D as positive and secondly we are going to take the value of D as negative. So let us see, if we take the value of A as 5 and D as plus 3, and if we keep the value in our numbers which we supposed, it will be A, that is 5 minus 3, comma A is 5, and lastly it is A plus D, so 5 plus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, then it is 5, and obviously 5 plus 3 is 8. So these are the numbers which are in AP. Same way we are going to take the value of A as 5 and B as minus 3. So try to understand A as 5 and D as minus 3. So it will be 5 minus minus 3, comma 5. 5 is nothing but it is A, and A plus D, A is 5 and D is minus 3. So minus minus will be plus, so it will be 8. 5 will be as it is, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So these are the numbers which are in AP. I hope you understood the example.